Hey, this is James from Fishbowl, and we are back. This is Whiteboard Wednesday again, or Whiteboard Wednesday 2.0, or this is Super Whiteboard Wednesday. What do you mean that's a problem? Now, if you've watched some of our other whiteboards, we have covered a variety of topics covering other companies that integrate with your inventory softwares, other processes, how you can improve, maybe what to do, what not to do. Feel free to check those out. But moving forward, we're going to do more of the same, but maybe just a little bit different, if you will. So why should we keep making these? Well, because there's always problems in our processes. Dealing with manufacturing, dealing with inventory, distribution, all of those things. There's always something new that pops up that may not be a big deal, but it's enough of a deal that it's going to slow you down or cause some kind of inefficiency or inaccuracy that's going to then affect you down the line in your company, in a particular product, etc. So let's take care of that. So this is Whiteboard Wednesday 2.0. We're back and whiter than ever. Oh, yeah, I hear it now. Sorry, I won't